Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of machines for your workout for the week. I'm Fitness Fox, and I'm thrilled to guide you through. Now, let's do this. Pec Deck Chest Fly Machine. Grab the handles with your palms facing each other. Keep a slight bend in your elbows throughout the movement. Exhale as you bring the handles together in front of you. Focus on squeezing your chest muscles at the peak of the movement. Inhale as you slowly return to the starting position. What this says. Cable flies for chest. Exhale as you pull the handles towards the center of your chest. Bring your hands together in a hugging motion. Inhale as you slowly return to the starting position. Chest press machine. Sit with your back against the pad. Grab the handles with an overhand grip. Press the handles forward until your arms are fully extended. Exhale during the pressing phase. Inhale as you slowly bring the handles back towards your chest. Maintain a controlled and steady pace. Yes, 3 sets of 8 reps, 3 sets of 8 of the workout. Parallel bars dip station. And yes, we did talk dips from the last video already. But dips are a fantastic bodyweight exercise, and using a parallel bars dip station can enhance the effectiveness of the workout. Between the parallel bars with your arms gripping each bar. Lift yourself up by straightening your arms. Slowly lower your body by bending your elbows. Lower yourself until your upper arms are parallel to the ground as you push yourself back up, straightening your arms. Cable tricep pull downs. Adjust the cable machine with the cable at an overhead position. Stand facing the machine, grab the bar, keep your upper arms stationary and close to your body. Push the bar downward, fully extending your arms. Focus on contracting your triceps allow the bar to rise back up. Maintain a posture. Sit down, tricep extensions. Adjust the handles so they are at chest level. Grab the handles with an overhand grip. Keep your upper arms close to your head. Extend your arms downward, fully straightening them. Return to the starting position, bending your elbows. So that is your workout for chest and triceps. See you next video for shoulders and back. Ciao, fitness enthusiasts!